Here we go. Tonight, walking through the graveyard with the spirit box. Anything at the tomb want to say hello? Any spirits here? Come up, show yourself on the talker. Well, names come up. Thomas. You're kidding. What are the chances? Is it a spirit here of a Thomas who wants to come out? Whoa. Pushed. Yeah, it felt like it. Look, pushed. Any dogmen or ghosts here? How about you? Do you want to come out? Or was it still pushed? I definitely felt like something pushed me. I'm not scared of any demons. I'll destroy you. Attach yourself to me and you'll be the one who is consumed. As I walk around the windy path. Well, new word. Internal. Weird. I know what that means. Internal. Ooh. Anything at the little one on its own. Spirit box, want to say anything? Anything at all? Anyone here at this one? Well, torch died. Anyone at this tomb? You're having a laugh. What's going on in the graveyard tonight? Why are you giving me the names of all the people I hate? Consideration. What? Considerate them? Is that what you're trying to tell me? What's ever here? Come on. Come on, Thomas or Nick. Talk to me. Seems to be spirits of two men that are communicating with me tonight. Very, very, very ironic. Whoa. Come on, you cowardly demons. There's nothing here. Whoa. Let's walk over to that big one. Do you know what, sometimes it just feels like you're being watched the whole time you're here. It really does. Did you hear that? Scanning for signal. Anything over this side want to come out, show yourself? Any spirits? Cowardly demons? Come on. Out you come. Show yourselves. Let's go up to the big tomb. Anything at the big tomb tonight? Anything here at all? Come on. There we go. Put the old spirit box on top of you there. Come on, you fucking maggot. Come on, coward, show me what you got. Flash. Whoa. Genuinely felt like something was there then. Still says flash. Look at that, all of tonight's words. Right, let's take it and move along. I wonder if there's something here. that wants me to pay attention. It feels like it tonight. Let's have a look at the spirit box. What's it say? Notice. Well, like, notice me. Is that what you want? You want to be noticed? Come on then. Come out and show yourself. Can't notice you if you don't show yourself. I do wonder about all the souls in here sometimes, how many people perhaps have walked through here on their last journey. Check out these big ones, see what the spirit box says. Anything over here? Anything but this one? Anything here? Book. Does that mean you're a librarian perhaps? Look, book. Does that mean that you there were a librarian? I don't know. Whoa! Hello? Crazy. And that tomb does fascinate me. Look how the bottom of that is all falling out. Should we try the spirit box down there? Perhaps where it's open, we might actually get a result. I don't know. Let's have a look. What do you reckon? Right, spirit box, where are you? There we go. Anything by the gap here at the tomb. And if you want to come out, come on, coward, take my soul. Take my soul. Genuinely disappointed at how weak demons are, man. Like, I thought you guys were meant to be hardcore. Huh, joke. Did you hear those footsteps then? Still coming back to me his book. Let's walk up this way. How about you? You got anything to say? You a plague victim? What? How did you end up here? Talk to me. No, nothing? About you three, big uns here. Do you have anything to say? Speak. Touch the stone with the spirit box. Talk to me. We're quiet in here tonight. About you down there. Whoa. Hello. Oh, mate. What was that? Oh, as I walk past that one there. Matter. Well, like biomatter. I don't know. Torch keeps going out tonight. Very weird. Right. This is the last call out now. Anything in this graveyard that wants to come and say good evening, hello, bonjour, come out now. Show yourself. Talk to me on the Spirit Talker. Use the energy to generate a word to tell me how you're feeling. Come on. Come on, one more word. Or are you all a bunch of cowards? Christian. You've just said the word Christian in a Christian graveyard. And I've got two really ironic names tonight as well. Right, that's it for tonight. I hope you all enjoyed that spirit box session in the graveyard. I'll speak to you all another time. Whoa. Yeah, I'm out of here.